Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn in detail that how to prepare a complete presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is a very important video, and after watching this video you will be able to prepare any type of presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. And also if you want to completely learn the course of Microsoft PowerPoint presentations, you can watch the different videos which I have uploaded on this channel, which are available in total of 9 parts. After completing all those 9 parts, so you will be able to completely prepare any type of presentations using the hands which I will be explaining in this video. So let's start today's lecture, that how to prepare any type of presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is when you open for the first time your Microsoft PowerPoint presentations, so it will look like this. And if you want to prepare a presentation, so first you will click on these new slides. So in the new slide, these are the different templates which are already available, and you can select any one regarding to your requirements, but you can use simply most of the time this ones, in which you will be providing headings here, and some data related to that headings will be provided here. Or you can also cut this one and you can resize this block. And now you can write anything you want in this slide. So now we are interested to make our presentations. So let's suppose we are going to prepare a presentation on the subject, for a subject of civil engineering drawing. So now we can write anything in these slides, in this box. So we will write the name of the subject, which is the civil engineering drawing. So we have just write the names. So now we will format it. So we will select and will from here we will make it to the centers of the slides. Now it is center from this paragraphs tools. We will, and now we will make it bold. So we will click on the bold, and then we want to give a different color to this and the name of the subject. So you want to give name is the color is this blue one, and also we want to underline it and to make it in italic format. So we will click on italic. Now this is the names of the subject which we have formatted, and now we can also write the, let's suppose the code for this subject is civil engineering CE 111. So let's suppose this is the code for this subject, and we want to remove the underline from this text. So we will click on the underline, select, and will make it under. We'll remove the underline. Now we want to write that this is the lecture 1 of the subject, so we will write the lecture 1. Lecture number 1, and we want to give it a separate name, a separate color. So that we want to give it as this green color, and we remove the underlines and to make it vertical not in italic. So now this is the name of the lectures, which is the lecture 1. And now we will write the topics that we will be discussing in this. We can also, in formatting, we can provide them a frame. So now you can see this is the frames to the slide which we have given. And also now we have to add the name of the topic that we will be discussing in this lecture 1. So we will be discussing, the topic is Introduction to Civil Engineering Drawings. So now this is the names of the topic that we will be discussing in this presentation. We will select and give, if we want to give another color to this. So we will go to the home and will assign them a separate colors. So let me want to assign it is the light green colors, and to increase the size and to make it underline. So now you can see we have created the first slides of the presentation, which is the name of the subject, lecture number, and the topic that will be discussed in this presentation. So now we want to add another slides in which we will be discussing about the course content. So how we will add the another slide? So we will simply go to here in the home tab. This is the new slides. From here we will add a new slide, like I click on here. Now you can see there was two slides. Now this is another slide which is named as 3. So we will provide the different contents that should be studied in this subject. So we will first write the heading as the contents or contents of this subject or course. So we will format now this. We will bring it to the centers and will reduce the size and will make it bold and will underline and will change the colors. Depending on your requirements, you can change the color, or you do not want to change the colors. So depending on your requirements and your will and your interest, that either you want to change the color or not. So the contents of this subject or this course, or we have, now we will be discussing the, so we will make the cursor to the left side from here, and now we'll write the contents of this presentation. So the contents of this subjects will be, we will be first discussing about the introduction, and then we will click enter. So now, and another we will be discussing about the drawing uh, tools, or you can say the drawing instruments. The next one, the contents of this subject will be the dimensioning. The next topic will be in this course to be discussed is the, let's suppose, the dimensioning system. And the next content of the this subject is the different types of projection. And the next topic, so the next topic is the, let's suppose we will be discussing about the curves, which may be plane curves, means the, and so on, the different content. So you will write the content. So now you will change the styles. Like from here you will assign this, these are the contents, and you will change the format from this heading. So we will make it, we will remove the underline, we'll make it unbold, remove the bold, and we'll reduce the size, and we'll assign the different colors. So now these are the contents of the subject. So now we will add another slide, and we'll click here. So this, you can see another slide has been added, in which now we will be discussing about the introduction to the, we will cut this and will resize this box, text box, and here we will write the introduction. So now we will be discussing about the introductions to this subject, which is the civil engineering drawing. So well, introduction, we will first define the drawing, what is meant by drawing. So we will change the, we will make it, we will change the size from the heading. So we'll reduce the size, and can also change the colors. So first we will define what is meant by drawing. So let's suppose drawing is basically the graphical language drawing is basically the graphical language through which one can communicate their ideas. So this is the definitions of the drawings. So we will change the size from the headings, and also we can change the colors, and we will make it from here to the a little bit from the to make it to the right sides, and will increase its size a little bit more. So now here we have defined the drawings. So now we will be discussing about the civil engineering drawings. Now we have done the drawing, what is meant by drawing. So now we will be discussing about that, what is meant by civil engineering drawing. So we will reduce its size and will assign the same color like this definition. So now we will be defining the definition of the civil engineering drawing. So civil engineering drawing is basically the drawing which gives the information related to the civil works, and we will write here the definitions, and then we will proceed to another slide. We'll add from here. Now you can see another slide has been added, and here we will be discussing about the different types of civil engineering drawings. So, and let's suppose if we want to add some pictures in the presentations. So let's suppose we want to add the drawing or civil engineering drawing type like the structural drawing. And to understand someone about the structural engineering drawing by pictorial view, so we can add the pictures from here. We will first go to, if we want to add a picture, so we will first go to the insert, and in the insert we will go to the pictures. We'll click here, and once we click here, so you can browse the pictures from the anywhere in the desktop. So we want to add a picture. So suppose we want to take a picture from here. This is the structural engineering drawing. So now you can see when we click add the pictures. So again I explained that how we put this picture. So you will first go to the insert, and in the insert we will click on the pictures. When we click, so this window will open, and from here you can go to anywhere in your desktop to take the pictures you are interested. So we want to add this picture, so we will click on these pictures, and then we'll click on the insert. When we click on the insert, so it will automatically come to the presentation slides. So now this is the structural drawings for the staircase. Now you can see these are the stairs. The different details given for the reinforcement, that how to provide this reinforcement in the slab of the stairs, and the different details about the placement, lapping, bending has been given in full detail. So through this you can add the pictures to your presentation, and also if you want to change the color of the slide. So let's suppose this is the slide and we want to change the colors. So we will go to the format, and from here you can select any type of color for the slides as per your interest. So if we want to add this type of color, so we will click, and now you can see the colors for the slide has been changed. And if you want to show your presentation in full screen, so you will go to here and will click on this full screen view. So now you can see this is what the full screen view. These are the So how to prepare a presentation. So this is the first slide which shows the subjects on which we will be discussing the presentation. So this is the subject, this is the code, this is the lecture one. This is the what we will be discussing in this presentation. So this is the names of the topic that we will be discussing in this presentation, which is the introduction to civil engineering or drawing. And then these are the contents of the subjects, which is the civil engineering drawing. And these are the different contents. So we will first introduce, then we'll drawing the different drawing tools and instrument, the dimension system, different types of projections, curves, and different types of the drawings like architecture, structure. So we will discuss the different contents. We'll write here the different contents, and we'll add another slide to discuss the today's, which we'll be discussing in the presentations. So you will be highlighting on this heading, which is the introductions, and then in here you will be adding the different things related to the introduction of the subject or anything you want to present. And then you will add another slide, and in which you will be discussing about the other things related to your presentations. And you can, this way you can add easily anything to your presentations. And now you can also discuss the pictures and can add the pictures to your presentations from here, insert, and from here. And also you can add tables if you want to add another slides. And now we want to add tables. So we will first click go to the insert tab, which is here, and just in the insert tab the first tool is the tables. So we will click on the tables. Now depending, you can choose any number of columns and number of rows to make a column. So when you select from here, from there, the same will be constructed here on this slide. So now this is the table, and you can now add anything data which should be presented in the tabulated form. So this was all about that how to prepare presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. And you can add, till now we have added the 6 slides, you can add another slides from here and will present your different data and what you want to present. So you can add the slides and you can format the slides as per your requirement. So this was all about that how to prepare a complete presentations in Microsoft PowerPoint presentations. So now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.